Hello students, you're welcome to Mathematics e-learning platform for third term 2019-2020 section. This is Azubike Ujenna. If you missed the previous weeks, that is week 1, volume of solids, and week 2, geometric construction, please do so to get the contents before proceeding to week 3. Question and submission of assignment should be submitted through this email address here. This week we are going to talk about the everyday arithmetic one. Here we will deal with approximation and rounding of numbers. At the end of the lesson, you'll be able to approximate numbers and round off numbers. Approximation of numbers. We say since we can never perform completely accurate measurement with our ruler, tape measure, thermometer, etc., approximation of number is necessary. Now let's take example 1 to illustrate this. Add 2.3, 5.704 and 12.67. Leave your answer in what? In one decimal place. We are asked to add this and leave our answer in what? In one decimal place. If we add up this number, we have 4 here. 0 plus 7 is what? 7. 3 plus 7, 10. Plus this, 6. 6 points. 2 plus 5 is what? 7. Plus 2, 9. And I bring that what? My 1. So I have 3 decimal places here, but we are asked to leave it as what? 1 decimal place. I will have 19 point what? 7. This is 6 and this is up to what? 5. So I'll round off. I'll just say I'll carry this 7, I'll call it 1 to this 6. 6 plus 1 is what? 7. So this is the answer in 1 decimal place. Now we know that this number has been approximated to what? 19.7. We find that this 19.7 is not equal to 19.674. If we subtract this from this, we have almost what? 0. This and this are not equal, but this is approximated to what? 19. The second example, we are asked to multiply this and this and leave our answer in 3 significant figures. Okay, so now we have point here, we have point here. We can neglect the point for now, and later we have to take note of the number of decimal places. So for now, let's ignore these 2 points and do the multiplication. Now if I ignore these points, this is what I will not have. So later on I will not include the decimal places. Okay, let's go. 7 times 4 is what? 28. I'll write what? 8 and take the 2. 7 times 6 is what? 40 what? 2 plus that 2, I have what? 44. I'll write just 4 and take what? 4. 7 times 5 is what? 35 plus the what? 4. I have what? 39. So I'll write 9 and collect what? 3. 7 times 3 is what? 21 plus the 3, 20 what? 4. 3 times 4 is what? 12. I'll write what? 2, carry 1. 3 times 6 is what? 18. I'll I'll plus the 1, 19. I'll write 9 and carry 1. 3 times 5 is what? 15 plus what? 1, 16. Carry what? 1. 3 times 3 is what? 9 plus the 1. I have what? 10. 2 times 4 is what? 8. Look at where we write it. Say 8. 2 times 6 is what? 12. I'll write 2, carry 1. 2 times 5 is what? 10 plus the 1, 11. I'll write 1, carry 1. 2 times 3 is what? 6 plus 1 is what? 7. I'll write the 7 here. So I'll do what now? I'll add everything up. So I'll bring down my what? 8. 2 plus 4, 6. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 2 is what? 18 plus 2 is what? 26. I'll carry 2. 4 plus 6, 10. 12 plus 2, 14. I'll carry what? 1. 2 plus 1 plus 0 is what? 3 plus what? 1, 4. 1 plus 7 is what? 8. Now I'm going to count the decimal places. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 decimal places. I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I put my what? Point here. So I have 8.4466, but we are asked to leave our answer in what? In 3 significant figures. How many significant figures do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 significant figures, but we are asked to leave it as what? 3 significant figures. So we count 1, 2, 3. Now we need to check what we have here. Is it up to 5? We have 6. If it's up to 5, we approximate it. We approximate it to this number, or we add it to this number. So we have 8.4 what now? 4, 5. So you can see that this number has been approximated to what? This number. So we have 3 significant figures here, whereas here we have what? 6 significant figures here. So this and this, they are not equal. So but this is approximated to this. We are asked to find x of this in 4 significant figures. So if we do this, we have what? 2.3 9 6 3 5. Round off numbers. Rounding off number is necessary where long numbers are made simpler by rounding off to the nearest unit, tenths, hundred, thousands, or a certain number of decimal places. Let's take an example to illustrate this. Example 4. Round off 1,654 to the nearest 10, 100, and 1,000. We are asked to round off 1,654 to what? To the nearest 10. We have the units, we have the 10, we have the 100, and we have what? The 1,000. So if we ask to round up to the nearest 10, we will check what we have as the unit. This is not up to 4, so we cannot call it 1 and add it up to this 5. So if you round up to nearest 10, I have what? 1,650. Now if I round off this to the nearest what? 100, I will check what I have as the what? The 10. In the 10 I have what? 5. I'll round it up. I'll call it 1. I'll take 1 to this part here, to this 6. I'll have what? 7. So I'll say 1700. So if I want to round this number to the nearest 1000, I will check what I have here as the 100. In the 100 I have 6, which is up to what? 5. So I'll call it 1. I'll add it up here, and this will be 0. So if I do so, I'll have what? 2000. So I've successively rounded this off to what? To 2000. Let's take example 5. Round off 2404 and 3450 to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. We are asked to round off 2404 to the nearest 10. This is my unit and this is my 10. This unit is not up to 5. If I round this off now to nearest 10, I'll have what? 2400, because this is not up to what? 5. Again, if I round this off to the nearest 100, this is my unit, this is my 10, and this is my 100. I'll have what? I'll check what I have here in my 10. It's not what? Up to 5. So what I'll have is what? 2400 to the nearest what? 100. So let me round this off to the nearest 1000. This is my 1000, and this is what? My 100. This 100 is not up to what? 5. So I'll have what? 2000. The second one says round off 3450 to what? To the nearest 10. So this is my unit, this is my 10, this is my 100, and this is my 1000. So I'll check what I have here as a unit is 0. So this remains this to the nearest 10. So if I round this up to the nearest 10, I have 3450. If I ask to round up this to the nearest 100, this is my 100 and this is my 10. Is this up to 5? Yes, it's up to 5. I'll call it 1 and add it up here. So I have what? 3500 to the nearest 100. But what if I'm asked to round it up to what? To the nearest 1000. This is my 1000 and this is my 100. Is this up to 5? No. So I'll not round it off to this. So if I round it off to the nearest 1000, I have what? 3000. Round up and round down. We round numbers to reduce the number of digits while keeping the results as close to the original number as possible. So let's take an example on the round up and round down. Example 6. Express 156 to the nearest 110. In round up or round down, I'm giving 156. Let's see if we round up or if we round down to the nearest 10. We see have our units 10, 100. So this unit is up to what? 5. So we will round what? Up to 6. So if we do so, we have 160 to the nearest what? 10. So we round up to the nearest 10. So what if we are asked to express this? Let's see if we round up or round down this number to the nearest 100. This is my unit, this is my 10, and this is my 100. Is this up to 5? Yes, it's up to 5. So I will round what? Up. So round up to what? 200. Let's take another example, example 7. Express 0.4563948, 0.4564948, 0.4594948, and 0.4594398 to what? 3 decimal places. So we are asked to express this to what? 3 decimal places. How many decimal places do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are asked to express this in what? In just 3 decimal places. I will count 1, 2, 3. But I will check what I have here. Is it up to 5? No. If it's not up to 5, no need. just write out these 3 decimal places. So I have what? 0.456. So let's take the next one. These to what? 3 decimal places. I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 decimal places. So I'll count 1, 2, 3. What do I have? Is up to 5? No, but I have more than 5 here. So I'll approximate this and call it 1 to this, which is 5, and I'll say carry that 5 and call it 1 to this 6. 6 plus 1 is what? 7. So my answer will be what? 0.45 what? 7 to 3 decimal places. So let's take the next one. Express 0.4594948 to what? To 3 decimal places. I'll also count 1, 2, 3 decimal places. Is this up to what? 5? No, but I have up to 5 here. I will call this 1. I'll call this 1. Add it up to this 5. I have 1, right? This up to 5 now. I will carry this one to this one, which is what? 10. This 10, I'll call it 1, and take this 1 to this 5. 5 plus 1 is what? 6. So I have what? 0.460 to 3 decimal places. So let's take the last one. Approximate this to 3 decimal places. I will count 1, 2, 3. I'll check, do I have up to 5 here? No. Here it's not up to 5. So there is no need. I will leave it as 0.459 to 3 decimal places. So you will try this at home. Assignment 1, add 2.3, 5.704, 6.704, 4.714, 5.704, and 12.67. Leave your answer in what? 3 decimal places. Your assignment 2, multiply 2.564 and 3.37. Leave your answer in what? In 4 significant figures. Assignment 3, find the answer of y correct to what? 4 significant figures. Assignment 4, round off 13,399 to the nearest 10, 100, and 1000. Assignment 5, round off 30,909 and 8,780 to the nearest what? 10, 100, and 1000. Assignment 6, which is the last assignment. Express 3.60048, 7.404948, 1.4994948, and 5.4519398 to what? To 3 decimal places. Make sure that you do this assignment for the next class. Stay safe.